Welcome back to Review One Box. In today's video we are going to talk about the all-new 2023 Toyota bZ3. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on for the upcoming videos and follow us on social media, links provided in the description below. The Japanese company, Toyota, is about to launch its fully electric sedan from the EV portfolio called the bZ3. Recall the Toyota bZ3 is based on the ETNGA modular platform, on which the Toyota bZ4X electric SUV and its twin from Subaru are also built. According to the first indicator, the bZ3 overtook the Toyota Corolla, and the distance between the axles of the train is even greater than that of the Camry, but the Camry is longer. Toyota bZ3 will be a rear-wheel drive sedan. It will feature an electric motor with a capacity of 184 or 245 horsepower. The capacity of the battery is still undisclosed, although it is known to be of the lithium iron phosphate type. The motor and battery will be supplied by the BYD Chinese company. The maximum speed of the electric sedan is disclosed at 160 km per hour. Interior images have been leaked which gives the impression of a modern electric car. It is minimalistic and dominated with a touch panel. There is also a floating design theme implemented on the center console with electronic gear selector. More details will be shared closer to its debut on October 24th. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for more information regarding vehicles. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.